today's video, I'm gonna be installing a new air filter in the Chevy Cobalt. So first up, looking at the engine bay, over here is where your air box is. There's these little clips. Then you can take your air box out, or at least the lid off. Take the air filter out. Mine is cracked right here, and it's a little dirty, so we're going to be replacing it with this. So inside the air box, there's little pieces of debris and stuff, so I'm just going to vacuum that up pretty clean in there. I can't really get the cracks. Stuff's pretty sticky. So that just fits right in like that. It connects on all the corners, so you know you got the right one. Press it down, make sure it's in there. And now, just put the top back on. This gets a little tricky here, because you have to actually like push it down and then slide in those clips. Alright, now the top's back on, then just get these clips, push them back in. It's not moving around or anything. And that's how you replace your air filter for no labor cost. While I'm in the engine bay, I figured more things would be dirty. Took off the Ecotech thing. Little engine cover. There's a ton of shit in there, so I'm gonna vacuum that up. Since I'm already in the engine bay, I might as well give it a clean with whatever knockoff products that you have. Other than the rain, now you got brand new air filter and a clean engine bay, and recently I got an oil change too. So car maintenance, yay.